Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the GLAKER brand, their cordless rechargeable rotary electric shaver with pop-up trimmer. It includes a nose hair trimmer and battery. Has this card right here which has contact information and information about the 1-year warranty it has, and it has a nicely written simple instruction booklet showing you how to use it, and this really nice travel padded case. It's got a holder on there, just really high quality. It's got siliconized pieces right here to unzip it, and inside here you have the unit itself, the charger, the nose trimmer, and the charging cable, and it has a nice zipper inside piece also. Here is the custom charging cable that you charge with any USB 1 amp or greater, and there's a little cleaning brush inside here that allow you to clean the unit if you want to get any of the hair out of the unit itself. Now we're going to be showing you close-ups of both these tools to show you how they charge and how they work. I want to show a close-up of the unit itself. It's really nice looking. There's the power switch right there. Has a really good feel to it, very smooth, and I like the way the angle is there and how this jets out. On the other shavers it's really close. This jets out so that you actually can see where you're shaving. And just like the name brands out there, like the Norelcos and Rawns, this has removable blades, and that allows you to clean this. We're going to show that. And a really large open area to collect any hair and debris. And then of course on here is this pull button down, and you have that really nice ability to trim, which I'm going to demonstrate. And that's nice because it's all in one. You don't have to have a separate product for that. Now, just like the name brand products out there, the shavers, this is a 3-year rotary electric shaver. It's 5 directional flex and floating shaver heads. And the idea is that it glides across your face. So you can see the suspension on there. You got the suspension on the whole thing. Then each one of these things has a suspension that allows it to contour to your face. And that works really well, as I'm going to demonstrate. I'm impressed by how well that worked. These are also self-sharpening because the blade actually goes against this metal piece and it actually keeps itself sharp. And that's really important so that you're not replacing blades all the time. This top piece pulls off quite easily like that. Now for cleaning, you can run this under water because this is waterproof. You can actually, it's IP6 waterproof, and you don't have to worry about anything damaging it. When you're charging this will run about for 30 shaves, and it should charge about 1.5 hours, so that's real impressive. So let's take a close-up of this right here. This piece right here has an ability to open up, and then you have the capability to get to the individual shaver pieces. And that's nice so that you can clean them, dry them, and reassemble the shaver. Now charging the GLAKER shaver is really easy. It has a USB-A to the custom mount on here. And you can use any USB-A charging port. That's a 1 amp or greater. There's a 1 amp port right there. And then this only goes on one way, plugs in like that. And then it starts telling you the charge status right there. So it was already charged. You can see it's at 100%, ready for me to use the shaver. So the included nose hair trimmer is really nice. It did come with a battery, and just take a standard AA battery, and plus goes forward like that, and then this lines up a certain way, it goes clockwise, and the cover comes off like that, which keeps it nice and clean. And then you just push that like that, and it comes on, starts rotating the little blade right there. And cleaning goes like that. You just remove that, run it under water, and you're all set. Let it dry and put it back on. You're ready to use next time. And what's so nice is that if you're traveling, you put it all back and it's all ready to be used. And just zip this back up. I love the blue and the black on here. This is really stylish looking, and this is really soft. but yet it's firm enough to protect it for traveling. So here I'm going to try the shaver, the GLAKER shaver. Now what's nice is my hair is a little too long, my beard. I'll put the trimmer on, and I could first do the trimmer. So I can see the hair is falling off. You can cut. And what's nice about that is it prepares you to use the shave. You can trim your sideburns also. Now we can go back, so I can see all the hair inside there. Now we can go back to doing the shaving with the rotary shaver. And that's pretty smooth. And what's nice is you can clean this in the sink. We're going to show that. Now let's try the nose hair trimmer. I'm going to turn that on. You can hear it. And you just hear a slight buzzing sound, and you can hear as it's catching hairs. So here I've got water running, and I've got the nose trimmer off, and I'm just going to rinse that just like that and let that dry. And the shaver right here, just push that button there, you can see the hair that it removed, and I can just rinse this out, even run it under the water if you want to, and that's it. Let this air dry, and you're ready to use it next time. So after testing the GLAKER brand, the cordless rechargeable rotary electric shaver with that pop-up trimmer and that nice nose hair trimmer, both these products are excellent. This trimmer, as I demonstrated, worked fine, came with the battery. Very simple operation, very simple to clean, as I demonstrated. And then this shaver works incredibly well, lasts a long time on a charge. I love that blue display, very high quality. And as I demonstrated, the way this is easy to open up and clean these, and the large bay area that holds your hair, this is just like the name brands out there, and it stays really sharp and works really well. So this is a cool product. I'm impressed with it. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section of this video review. Please use those links when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.